Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Kids Learning. Today we will learn about 10 words letter that starting with I and ending with N. I. I is for ice, ice cream, iced coffee, ice tree, insect, infant, inside, ice cream cone, ink. J. J is for joker, jacket, juice, jump, jellyfish, jet, juggle, jam, joke, jester, jungle. K. K is for kite, kids, kitten, kiwi, key, king, kettle, kangaroo, kite, keyboard. L. L is for lock, lily, lime, lunchbox, lungs, lift, lobster, laces. M. M is for mailbox, mail, mammals, mail, map, mallard duck, manatee, man. N. N is for nail, nail in wood, net, nest, net, nose, note, news. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स करें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको इजीली मिल सके।